Hi everyone, I'm Sibo, and today we're going to take a look at how do you move your stations from one project to another once you have a station that has completed a project and you need to go on to another. So first, what we're going to do is you log into SvanNET, you go into your project list, and on your SvanNET page you'd have all of your instruments. What we then go to is configuration. So in the configuration page, you are able to edit the station configuration. So the edit settings one, this relates to your measurement point, and the configuration tab, this tab relates to your project name. So if you ever want to go back to change the name of your project, you go in that tab. Project location, description, if you have any external sensors or any API information that you need to enter, you would do all of this in this section of the setup of your project. But mainly today we're going to focus on being able to take one measurement point and unassign the unit from it and add the unit to a new or an existing project. So what we're going to look at is you go to edit settings. So in edit settings, this would bring up your page that tells you modify your measurement point. And what we're going to do is we're not going to delete the measurement point, because this would delete all of the data that you have in this project. What we want to do is just unassign the unit from this measurement point so that we can add it to a new project. So you go into station, and in your station you'd have a list of all of the stations that you own or that are currently free, and on this measurement point we're going to select none, and once we have selected none it would say station none, and we press OK. So which means that we now have a station that is free, which we would assume that it's floating in SvanNET. And as you can see on this measurement point, it would say no station assigned, so which means you have successfully unassigned that station. Once we have done that from this project, we can then go on to back to project list, and if you do need to create a new project, you can create a new project, and we can call this one demo test. We go on to next, and we can give this a measurement point. And then on the station, go to station, we select the drop down list, and we look for that SV307 that we've just unassigned, which you should see over here. We select it and you press OK. So now you have successfully moved one station to another project without having to delete or lose any data in that process.